morning students, I am Sagar, Mathematics faculty. I have 11 years experience in teaching. Today we are going to discuss about similar triangles. Similar triangles. What are the similar figures? Similar figures. Geometric figures having the same shape but different sizes are known as similar figures. Geometrical figures have same size but different shape is known as similar figures. See, this is a circle, the radius is R1 and one more circle whose radius is R2. Observe these two figures. These two figures have the same shape but different size. Those figures are called similar figures. Like this is also a similar figures. Okay, all congruent figures are always similar, but all similar figures need not be congruent. All congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures need not be congruent. Any two line segments are always similar. Any two line segments. This is one line segment. A is one line segment and C is one more line segment. All line segments are similar. Any two circles are similar. Two circles. These two circles also similar. Any two squares are always similar. Any two squares are always similar. Squares are always similar. Any two equilateral triangles. Any two equilateral triangles are also similar. Any two equilateral triangles are always similar. Line segments are similar. Circles are also similar. And squares are also similar. Equilateral triangles are also similar. Now come to similar polygons. Similar polygons. Two polygons are said to be similar. Two polygons are said to be similar to each other if their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. And corresponding sides ratio are in proportion. Corresponding sides ratio equal. Corresponding sides are in proportion. If these two conditions are satisfied, in this case only we call polygons are similar. What is the condition? The first condition is the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides ratio equal. If two polygons ABCDE and PQRST are similar, we write, suppose ABCDE, PQRST. These two are similar. We can write, we will use the symbol. This is the symbol for similarity. This is called ABCDE is similar to PQRST. This is the symbol for similarity. The next one is similar triangles. Similar triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal, and one more condition is corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Suppose ABC is one triangle and DEF is one more triangle. What are the corresponding sides here? Angle A is corresponding to angle D, angle B is corresponding to angle E, angle C is corresponding to angle F. Suppose angle A is equals to angle B, angle B is equals to angle E, angle C is equals to angle F, and the ratio, corresponding side ratio AB by DE is equals to AC by DF is equals to BC by EF is equal to some constant K. In this case, we call these two triangles are similar. In this case, we call these two triangles are similar. This K is called scale factor. K is called scale factor. Okay? This condition will satisfy only, in this case only, we call these two triangles are similar. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle ACB. Triangle PQR is equal to triangle ACB. Then the conditions are angle B is equals to angle A, angle Q is equals to angle C, angle R is equals to angle B. Corresponding angles are equal. Already these two triangles are similar. So corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides ratio equal. That means PQ by AC is equals to QR by CB is equals to PR by AB. PR by AB. Alright, I said K is called scale factor. K is called scale factor. If K is greater than 1, then enlarged figure will come. Enlarged figure will come. If K is less than 1, then diminished figure will come. Diminished figure. If K is equals to 1, then congruent figure will come. Congruent figure. So, if it is enlarged or diminished or congruent figure, it is based on scale factor only. If K is greater than 1, enlarged figure will form. K is less than 1, diminished figure will form. K equal to 1, the two figures are congruent figures. Okay? This is about the similar triangles. If any two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportion. These two are the conditions for similarity. Okay? The next one is one more theorem there, basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. It is also called Thales theorem. It is also called Thales theorem. One more name for basic proportional theorem is Thales theorem. It is simply called as BPT theorem also. BPT, basic proportionality theorem. If a line drawn parallel to statement of a basic proportionality theorem, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, one side of a triangle intersecting the other sides. Then it divides the two sides. Then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. In the same ratio. What is the statement of a basic proportional theorem? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Say let us take ABC is a triangle. Draw a line parallel to BC. Draw a line parallel to BC. So L is parallel to BC. This line intersects the AB at D, AC at E. So here D is parallel to BC. This is parallel to BC, and this line divides the remaining two sides in the same ratio. Remaining two sides, that means AB side and AC side. That means the ratio of AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. This is nothing but a basic proportionality theorem. AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Because here D is parallel to BC, so this line DE divides the two sides in the same ratio. Let's take suppose PQR. LM is parallel to PQ. LM is parallel to PQ. I draw a line LM. That line is parallel to PQ. Then that line divides the two sides in the same ratio. RL by LP is equals to Rm by MQ. This is the basic proportionality theorem. See the next one, converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of basic proportionality. The statement of converse of basic proportional theorem is nothing but if a line divides any two sides, if a line divides any two sides in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to third side. Then that line is parallel to third side. What is the converse of basic proportional theorem? If a line divides any two sides in the same ratio, then that line is parallel to third side. That is ABC. DE. DE divides AB and AC in the same ratio. That means AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Then DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. This is the converse of basic proportionality theorem.